Okay, do you have your mother next to you? No? But I'm sure someone has his mother next to you, or her mother. Yes? What you do is you turn around and give her a big hug and kiss. MashaAllah. Oh, MashaAllah. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so, well, this song is dedicated to all the mothers in the world.
Let me do it. I got some sick music.
Number one for me. You ready?
Oh, sick line.
You know you are the number one. You know you are the number one. You know you are the number one for me. Oh, you're number one for me. I was a foolish little child. Crazy things I used to do. And all the pain I put you through. Mama, now I'm here for you. For all those times I made you cry. The days I told you lies. Now it's time for you to rise. For all the things you sacrificed. Oh, if I could turn back time, rewind. If I could make it undone, I swear that I would. I will make it up to you. Cause mine all grown up now. It's a brand new day. I like to put a smile on your face every day. Mama grown up now, and it's not too late. I like to put a smile on your face every day. And now I finally understand your famous line about a day I faced the time. Cause now I got a child of mine. And even though I was so bad, I've learned so much from you. Now I'm not trying to do it too. Love might get the way to home. If I could turn back time, rewind. If I could make it undone, I swear that I would. I will make it up to you. You are the number one. You know you are the number one. You know you are the number one for me. Oh, it's the number one for me. Yeah, me. Thank you. By the way, I just want to say something. You see, inshallah one day, either you are a mother today, or you will be, inshallah one day. So I dedicate this song to all the sisters in the world. That's even better, right?
I like that, I like that. Now,
Every sister is going to be a mother.
Talking about number one. What is the number one venue, or city, or country that you really enjoy playing at? Somebody said Bolton.
I know, everyone said that.
What's been really memorable over the years?
I don't know, like.
I mean,
all of them was
I remember you spoke about South Africa.
Yes, but it's not, I haven't done a concert in South Africa. But like one of the, the most beautiful countries I visited was actually South Africa. But it's city, it was kind of Cape Town. And it was...
There's a few people, anybody here from South Africa?
Where in South Africa are y'all from? Australia?
Well, I went to Cape Town. I love Cape Town. I love nature, I climbed the Table Mountain and it was just beautiful, alhamdulillah. So, but alhamdulillah, Allah blessed me with...
What venue-wise? What's been the real big one that you thought, yes? And don't be worried, they won't beat you up in Bolton.
No, I know, but I'm just thinking, I don't know.
What about on this tour? What's been really...
This one?
Yeah, what's been really special?
Okay, this one has been... Can I say?
Yeah, it's okay. They're all family.
Okay, no.
We're all one big family.
Manchester was amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Manchester.
Manchester was definitely
Manchester,
amazing.
Bolton is kind of similar. It's kind of similar.
I knew that.
Omar, what's our next track going to be? What do you think?
I got...
Yes.
I feel like that, yo. I feel like it's time. Are y'all agreeing with me?
Yeah.
I got instant laugh right here. Okay, let me listen.
Yeah, I like that idea. Listen to that.
I'm listening to you. What did you say, sister?
Oh, she's changing her mind. I heard something else.
Oh.
Look. heard Ya Nabi. I heard Ya Nabi salam alaikum.
For the children of Syria.
Listen. I heard Ya Nabi salam alaikum.
You know what? Because he heard Ya Nabi Salaam Alaikum.
Yes,
then
we
want to send salams on the Prophet. And who would say no to that? Anybody? Marlins, make sure you take a picture if they say no. Haram. Okay, there we go.
Ask them if they love Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Do you love the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Brothers, listen, these brothers are
man, go get them.
Let me find out. Brothers, do you love the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Yeah!
They're awake now.
Wake them up.
All right, so we said Allahu Akbar. We want to say Ya Nabi salam alaikum as well, of course, right? So let's do that, inshallah. Ya Nabi salam alayka, Ya Rasul salam alayka, Ya Habib salam alayka, salawatullah alayka, anta nurullahi fajran, جئت بعد العسر يسرا ربنا أعلاك قدرا يا إمام الأنبياء أنت في الوجدان حي أنت للعينين ضي أنت عند الحوض أنت هاد وصفي يا حبيبي يا محمد يا نبي سلام يا رسول يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك
You said yeah, come on, these
سلام يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك ترمى حبك مهكسة يا زمين واسمع بعدها رحمك برسات عطيه بالركام يا رسول الله أيها المختار فينا زادنا الحب حنينا زدنا بالخير دينا يا ختام المرسلين يا حبيبي يا محمد يا نبي يا رسول يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك عليه الصلاة والسلام. Thank you.
Look, the first time I met you was a few years ago, and you came on stage and you sang Allahi Allahi Karo. And also, guys, believe it or not, I've been traveling with this brother, mashallah, for the last 7-8 days now. And I still listen to your CDs in the car for some strange reason, even though I saw you perform every night. What I'm astonished about is that, mashallah, just now you broke into Urdu. You managed to sing in different languages. How difficult is that?
I don't know, it is difficult, of course, but I don't know how I sound. I'm just singing it.
Well,
I don't know how I'm pronouncing it.
I was very impressed in the car listening to the recent CD. I had different Turkish, Malaysian, Urdu.
Look, in the studio, of course, I have some friends, either they speak Urdu, or they speak Turkish, or they speak Malay, or they speak French, because I sang in all these languages. So I have someone there, I sing, we edit, we choose the best pronunciation, the best feeling, and we do it on spot. So on the CD, it's easy to get it like that, after hard work. But, like when I'm performing on stage, I don't know how I'm sounding.
And look, you spent some time in Egypt, you've learned Arabic, mashallah. And how's that going? Are you still...
No, I have a long way to go. I wish I could learn much more. Alhamdulillah, all the traveling, I'm meeting a lot of people, and as you said, I spent a lot of time in Egypt. But I would really want to learn more Arabic and, the Lughat al-Quran.
Well, look, he speaks Urdu, as we know.
Yeah, I heard you were good, man. You were counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right?
That's right.
Or 1, 2, 3, maybe.
You know what? You've not asked the brothers what they want to hear, man. I'm disappointed.
That's true. The brothers, listen, look at the brothers.
Can we come over here?
Okay, let me go and see.
Otherwise, we could get beaten up when we leave tonight.
Let me check the brothers out. They've been kind of quiet.
No, you're not a brother.
The brothers. Listen, your dad and your uncle and your big brother. Brothers, how are y'all doing? Salam alaikum. What do you want to hear, brothers?
Allah ya Allah.
Is that unanimous? From the Maulanas? The Maulana says, you talk to him. They said,
Oh, obviously Malana's Urdu in it, Urdu.
Okay, can I ask you, how many of you know Urdu? That's like almost everyone.
They're all Urdu. You know, there's no.
Wait, the brothers. How many of you know Allah too? Brothers.
You know what's amazing? You know what's amazing about this song is when I heard it, I just love the melody. I mean the chorus. Of course, I changed the melody for the verses. But when I heard it, I was like, that's it. Because we were looking for an Urdu song. And we got this song and I was like, that's it. I love that song.
Bismillah.
And I'm so happy that I did it because, I've seen so many, grandmothers, coming to me and say, my mother used to sing this song for me. And I was like, wow, mashallah. And it's really, he can tell me that too. I can confirm that it's a really old song, right? Mashallah. Okay, let's do Allah ya Allah. Forgive me if I pronounce it wrong. Allah hi Allah kiya karo, dukh na kisi ko liya karo, jo duniya ka malik hai, naam usi ka liya karo. Allah hi Allah, Allah hi Allah. Just like a sunrise can't be denied, no. Just like the river will find the sea. Oh Allah, you're here, you're always near, and I know without a doubt that you always hear my prayer. Sach ki raah pe chala karo, dukh na kisi ko liya karo, jo duniya ka malik hai, naam usi ka liya karo. Hey, one more time. All right, let me use it. Come on. Allah hi Allah kiya karo, dukh na kisi ko liya karo, jo duniya ka malik hai, naam usi ka liya karo. Allah hi Allah, Allah hi Allah. So many bright stars like diamonds in the sky. Oh, it makes me wonder how anyone could be blind to all the signs so clear. Just open your eyes and I know without a doubt you'll surely see the light. Teri dunya, zamin, yeah. Shahe, tu hai kareem mere Mola, sun le dua, hum bas hai tere bina, roshan